Okay, don't belittle that little small x over there. It's not a number. So it's not just a normal differentiation, even though the ln looks exactly like what you like to do. Okay, take note. X is by itself. Ln is a separate term. This is seen as multiply of two unknowns. So if I need to do the differentiation for number 1, I actually have to use product rule. Okay, so very carefully, I need to use the product rule. Product rule says differentiate the first. Differentiate x, I'll get 1. So I'll still write down. Keep the second. Plus, differentiate the second. The second one is a logarithmic term. So what is the bracket term? Tangent 2x. So I write tangent 2x at the bottom. But when we differentiate tangent, what will we get? Secant square. Same thing. Secant square, write the angle. That's not all. I need to differentiate the angle. What's the angle here? 2x. So I'll have a 2. And some of you will stop. No. One more step. Differentiate the second. You must keep the first. So remember to write the first. But actually, no need to simplify. Some of you will be very concerned. Oh, teacher, I need to simplify. No. Alright? Your job is to find the value of the first derivative when x equal to 0.5. So straight away, you substitute 0.5 inside. Can? So no need to go and simplify. What is 0.5 times 2? It's just 1. Am I right? So I'm going to rewrite. So I substitute the 0.5. I'll get ln of tangent 1. I write in bracket. Plus 2 secant square 1. Alright? Over tangent 1. Multiply by 1. But multiply by 1 no need. Anything multiply by 1, okay, it doesn't make a difference. Okay, can you show me how to press the calculator now? So notice the calculator doesn't have secant square. Alright? So, no choice. So in my working, I have to change to 1 over cosine square. So I can write this. 0. Never mind, let me simplify. 2 times 0.5 is just 1. So I have tangent 1, cosine square 1. Okay, I'm very certain you can press a calculator for this already. Alright, try pressing the calculator now. Okay, take note, you can't press cosine square 1, remember? In the calculator, you can't do that. So you can press as cosine 1 bracket square. Okay, let's move on to question 2. Okay, I'm going to continue with question 2. Obviously, there's no other way I can simplify. I'll just have to use the quotient rule to find the first derivative. Differentiate the top. Okay, look carefully. The top is a logarithmic term. Logarithmic term means I check for the bracket. What's the bracket term for the logarithmic term? 2x. So I differentiate the top. 2x. Then I need to differentiate 2x again. Am I right? Differentiate 2x, you'll get 2. So I put it at the numerator. Differentiate the top, keep the bottom. Minus. Differentiate the bottom should be quite simple. You just get 1. Keep the top. Over bottom square. So in other words, I just need to simplify. Okay, I don't write 2 over 2x. I just write 1 over x. Okay, after that, I don't want to simplify further already because there's no way I can actually factorize. Am I right? So actually, Straight away, substitute the value of x to be 1.2 inside and press the calculator. Okay, so I'm going to put in the value of x being 1.2. So I'm going to write it out because I don't want to make careless mistake. 1 plus 1.2 is 2.2 minus ln of 1.2, 2.2 squared. Okay, now your job is just to press the calculator. Can I give you? Huh? What ln 2x? Wait, let me. So remember, the power 3 belongs to the whole logarithmic term. It does not belong to just the bracket term. So I cannot bring down the constant 3 like what you do in normal logarithmic terms. So I need to differentiate it together. Bring down the power. Reduce the power by 1. Now I need to differentiate the term inside the square bracket. Eh? The square bracket is a ln term. So check for the ln term. What's the bracket for the ln term? EX plus 6. Okay, don't be confused by EX plus 6. Now, my job is to differentiate EX plus 6. What will we get? E, because E is just a number. E has a value. You can punch in the calculator one. E. That's it. Am I right? Any more? Done already. Okay, don't think too much. Now, x is equal to E. Remember, they say find the value and don't press calculator. Just simplify. So your x now becomes E. So I'm going to write 3. Alright, replace my x by E. So I have a ln E square plus 6. Never mind, I still put in bracket square first. Okay, the next square bracket, E square plus 6. Am I right? Correct? It should look something like that. Okay, anything we can use. Although I wrote the one in red, anything we can use. Yes, Luffy. Press the calculator for second bracket. Yeah, there's a number, but what did the question say? Leave your answer in E. So do we press calculator? Okay, the moment you press, wrong already. And they say leave your answer in E means they want exact value. That's why I like this kind of question. If you can apply this, you apply. But is there any ln E by itself? Don't have. So no need to apply. Do I see my answer just in terms of E? Can I simplify further? Then like that is the answer already. Correct? Okay. Of course, this is not the only way to write the answer. Hey, but teacher, like that doesn't look very nice. Can I do this? You may. So there are different ways to write the answer if you want to. That means I multiply by 3 to the second fraction at the numerator. So the second one also possible. Okay? Okay, we will stop here.